Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. Happy
Hello,
Wednesday, everyone.
Yeah.
We decided that we wanted to, again, just remind you of the coach that we're staying in. It's an 09. It's Coach 1131. It's a triple slide, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. And it's a beautiful, very unique coach.
The colors are timeless.
They are,
They
and
really
we
are.
feel like it's a hidden secret, so we're kind of letting you in on this. So we're just going to briefly go in. We'll show you a little bit of the outside, a little bit of the inside, just to refresh your memory on what we have here.
Yeah, it's really one of the used older coaches that we have that really, we've driven this coach a little bit, drives amazing. The condition of the coach is impeccable. So take a look at it. And if you're in the market for a pre-owned coach, feel free to reach out to Dawn or I. We've got it up here at our side Grove, so we could tell you more about it and show you more of it if you're interested. And it's not too late to come to our side. A lot of people, it's really busy in here, so feel free to come out and see us and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Hey, we hope you like that little reminder of a beautiful coach that we have here, 09. Again, 09 triple, 2 in the front, 1 in the back.
Let us know if you're interested. Keep watching.